Think managing diabetes means that you can't indulge your sweet tooth now and then? Think again. Here are top 5 diabetic desserts ideas that you can enjoy. 1. Iced melon and berry soup. Honeydew melon is perfect for this dazzling display, but it is essential that the melon be very ripe and sweet. Serve the soup as a refreshing first course when the weather is hot, dressing up each bowlful with a swirl of berry puree and some whole berries as a garnish. 2. Baked almond stuffed peaches. Turn fresh peaches into a fabulous warm dessert by stuffing them with dried apricots, toasted almonds and crushed amaretti cookie crumbs, then baking them in the oven until they are brown and bubbly. Try a variation featuring apples and stuffing them with a cinnamon macaroon filling. The fruit can be served with light sour cream or vanilla ice cream. 3. Chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Look what happened to the traditional chocolate chip cookie. This recipe yields cookies with half the fat of the original, plus old-fashioned oats, which add a fiber boost. Yet, all this trimming has not slimmed down the flavor. These cookies will disappear fast. 4. Black Forest mousse cake. Here's one of those heavenly warm, dense chocolate cakes that is very light, surprisingly low in fat and much easier to make than you might think. Cocoa delivers a rich, chocolatey flavor with less fat than plain chocolate. A dollop of mock whipped cream spiked with cherry brandy adds a delightful touch to each slice of cake. 5. Mocca ricotta tiramisu. This delectable take on the popular Italian dessert includes the traditional sponge cakes soaked in coffee and liqueur for the base. Then a light and creamy mixture of sweetened ricotta cheese and yogurt replaces the whipped high-fat mascarpone cheese that usually layers the ladyfingers. A sprinkling of grated dark chocolate is the finishing touch. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you want to hear more about healthy foods and diabetes, please subscribe to the channel.